Hey guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so what I have for review for you guys is the HiCOCO eyelashes. Oh my goodness, you guys. I got these on Amazon. Just look at how cute this packaging is. Just look at it. I love it. It has a little cute kitty holding, like, I guess a lemonade or some type of cat margarita. And these eyelashes are only $9.99 on Amazon. Oh my goodness. So let me open the box here for you. And this is what comes inside this amazing box right here. Oh my goodness. All of these lashes for $9.99 on Amazon, and guess what? They're cruelty free. Yay! Cruelty free eyelashes. So you know me, I'm always on the search for cruelty free beauty. Okay, so here is a close-up on the eyelashes, you guys. As you can see, they're all different styles. I won't unfortunately be doing all of these styles, but I will be testing out some of these so you guys can kind of see how they basically look. Okay guys, so about the eyelashes, it looks like that there's 7 different styles in here. These are the dramatic long lashes style, and these are the ones that come without tweezers. You can get the ones that come with tweezers, but the only thing is they're a different eyelash style. And of course on here it says that they are cruelty free, 25mm long and thick volume dramatic lashes. And yeah, so if you want to check out their Amazon page, just search up the HiCOCO eyelashes and look for that cute kitty, and you'll be able to get yourself a pair very soon. Okay, so the glue that I'm using today, you guys, is Secure Hold by Cardani. Secure Hold by Cardani right here. And this eyelash glue is also cruelty free, can be found on Amazon. My all-time favorite eyelash glue, and it's like really cheap. It's only like $6. Okay, so the first pair that I'm going to try is these ones right dead in the center. For some reason those have caught my eye, and then we'll just be trying on 2 eyelashes today, you guys, just so you can kind of get the eye of how these look. So normally I have to cut my eyelashes, you guys, but on these ones we might not have to cut them, so we'll see. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on our eye. Hopefully it fits. And so far it's a little bit too long. It's a little bit too long, so I'm going to have to cut it. Yeah. Okay, so let me cut this lash, you guys. Okay, so I have the eyelash cut now, you guys. It was just a bit too long, so let's hope that this fits better on my eye. I know it looks super crazy, right? But here it is with one eye done. It's actually quite nice, especially, you know, everyone knows that when you have eyeshadow on your eye, the eyelash looks so much better. But this is actually a really nice, long, luxurious eyelash right here. It's really exaggerated. So let's go ahead and put the other one on. Okay, we're now going to put the other eyelash on. Okay, so this is how it looks with both of them on. I'm just kind of like looking down so you can see how long and lengthy they are. And then this is how they look when I look up. So they are really long, you guys. Let me know if you are into long eyelashes. I do like this long dramatic look right here. Wait, I'm looking in the mirror straight, because if I look down like that, I feel like my eyes look cross-sighted. But when I look up, they look very nice, and they are very long. So far that is a plus, because for pictures it's gonna look really pretty. Okay. So this is how they look close up. Just kind of looking down so you can see the length, and then just looking up so you guys can see how they look, you know, with my eyes open. Okay, so next eyelash that I'm gonna try is these really thick ones right here. So they're nice and dramatic and thick, and the ones that I have on are like more whimsy. Okay, so this lash right here is more thick, more dramatic. It's not as lengthy as the last lash, But it doesn't look like I really have to cut the band on this one, but it's definitely layered. Like you could tell, like this lash is super thick. So we're gonna put this one on. Okay, so these ones are obviously very, very dramatic, very, very thick, and once again, eyelashes do look a whole lot better with eye makeup on, but these lashes are really, really pretty. Here is how they look when I'm looking downwards. I know they are super dramatic. I'm gonna look up so you can kind of see how long they are. I'm gonna try this one right here because out of the whole 7 designs, I feel like this one's the most natural looking lash, just in case you're like looking for a palette that has long dramatic lashes, but maybe you want something more natural looking. So we're gonna give this one a shot. Okay, so this is the lash that we are going to be trying out now, the more natural looking one, and this is how it looks up close. Okay, so this is how these eyelashes look. I actually really like these ones, you guys. They have a nice, I guess you say lengthy or thin look to them in the front right here. And then as you go out, they get more thick. So I really think these ones are pretty as well. This is how it looks if I'm looking down and up. Out to the corner, and that is it, you guys. So that is my review on these eyelashes, the HiCOCO the HiCOCO eyelashes from Amazon, where you get 7 different pairs. Let me know what you guys thought about these eyelashes right here. A lot of them, they're lengthy. I really love lengthy. Of course, you some of them aren't meant for, like, you know, every day, but definitely nighttime, or maybe you're just a girl who likes long lashes. By all means, go for it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, or if you guys love eyelashes, please leave me a comment. Please leave this video a thumbs up, and lastly, of course, as always, be sure to subscribe for the love of kittens. If you guys, that's another fun fact about me. If you guys didn't know that I love kittens and cats, so this box really caught my eye right here. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye!